Yeah, man. Catch it pre-wagwana. So, Sunday. So, cooking Sunday dinner, you know me I say? Yeah, man. So, here I have my chicken, season, and marinade. Alright? So, I already been through the procedures, guys. So, this is the part 2 of cooking it now. So, I'm cooking curry chicken and white rice. Alright? Yeah, man, it's a request from my guests. That's what they requested. They're really loving it. I cooked it for them like 2 weeks ago, and they request for me to cook it back today. Alright, so curry chicken and white rice. That is it. So stay tuned to my YouTube channel, guys. Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Continue to support the channel, guys. Just like, share, and subscribe. Comment to the channel. Alright? Yeah, man. So just stay tuned, catch it pre, and watch what I go on. We done now, guys. Here I have my garlic, my scallion, and thyme. So don't know, burn the curry in the oil first, isn't it? Yeah, man. Put the scallion and the thyme and the garlic. Alright, guys, so as you can see, meat well seasoned and marinate down properly, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. That is it. So now I'm gonna add the meat. Yeah. Bunja, yeah? Yeah. Okay, guys, so while the meat bunja down properly, get the garden seasoning and the vegetables ready. You know what I mean? When we're cooking curry, guys, always add some carrots and some Irish potatoes, you know? Yeah, man. What it does, it gives flavor, yes, but most important, it add body to the sauce, to the gravy. Yeah, so, and it is also nutritious as well, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, that is it. Cutting up my carrot, guys, for my curry. Yeah, man. You don't know, we have to give the people them what they want. Them request curry chicken indoors on Sunday. It's our traditional way of cooking Sunday dinner. Always cooking rice and peas, you know what I mean? On a Sunday as a Jamaican thing, isn't it? Yeah, man, part of our culture, guys. But you don't know what my people request. That's what I'm gonna be cooking, you know what I mean? So it's no problem, man. So stay tuned, catch it pre, and watch what I go on. And don't forget, guys, just keep supporting my YouTube channel. Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Man, just like, share, subscribe, and comment to the channel, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. That is it. Alright guys, so while the chicken bunja down properly in the curry, I'm preparing these vegetables and garden seasoning to cook it down in. Alright, so stay tuned, catch it pre and watch what I go on.